ideally, if you can have 2 months rent as a float for yourself, it'll keep you, so if something does come up unexpected, you're not having to try and scrape and scrimp to get the money together to get it fixed, and you have funds available there to get it rectified as promptly as possible to, one, possibly prevent any further damage being caused to your property, and two, you're keeping your tenant happier because you are actively rectifying an issue that needs attention.
Yeah, I think it's just a smart approach to investing in things as well. And if you have a property or one or two properties or possibly several, if you come up against something, and one of the most common things is probably a boiler. If a boiler needs replaced at short notice, and you find yourself in a position where you don't have, £2,000 to change a boiler, then that's you've not planned properly for that. You should have that contingency there where, right, okay, this one needs a boiler. I've got the money set aside there to put the boiler in here, and that's the way it should be. If you're finding yourself in a position where you don't have that kind of money to replace a boiler, or God forbid, putting it on a credit card, then that's not really the best planned approach to that. So budgeting and possibly adopting this 1% rule, or like you said, Kim, at least having a month or two's equal to the month or two's rent as a float sitting there is quite a smart thing to have in place, because inevitably at some point throughout your buy-to-let journey, you will get unexpected costs, and we see it time and time again, and people have not budgeted for that.
Yep, you never know when these things are going to come up, so making sure you're prepared for them, so when they do actually happen, or if they do happen, you've got everything in order in place for them.